What's up guys, it's your girl Leslie, aka your favorite YouTube lesbian. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another edition of Followers Friday. If you don't know, Followers Friday is where I choose an Instagram follower of mine at random, land on a look of theirs at random, and attempt, keyword attempt, to recreate their look. So if you guys want to see who today's lucky follower is, then keep on watching. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Leslie. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you know when I upload, and give the video a thumbs up. All right, let's see who the follower is. All right, you guys, it is that day of the week. How do we start off this video? Y'all know, the Happy Friday dance. A 1 and a 2 and it's Friday. Spare fingers. Should I ever get caught in your lip gloss? Today's lucky Instagram follower, grab my notes, goes to Carolina or Carolina, I'm not sure. She goes by glam_queen92 on Insta. She is a self-taught MUA just like me, and a super mom just like me, and she's mixed like me, and she's really pretty like me sometimes. As soon as I landed on her and went to scroll to land on a look, I noticed that she also has some awesome Halloween looks, and her wings will cut a bitch. I always end up with followers who do these like insanely sharp, perfectly straight wings, but guess what? I didn't land on one of those today. Yay! So glad we landed here on this pretty pastel look, and yeah, I was excited to do it. Her brows are always sharp and on fleek, and wears wigs like the same color as me. Like, I think that we could be besties, girl, like me and you. I had to throw on the rose gold since you had on the rose gold. All right, let's do this. Is Prime. The kitten is running around being a nutcase, so if you hear him, just ignore him. All right, so we're going to be using the Morphe Bronze Goals palette. I'm going to be using one of my ColourPop Super Shocks, an Ace Beauté Super Shock dupe, and one of my LC Box teal pigments. Let's do this. And we're going to start all over the crease with a combination of this mauve and this brown as our transition shade. She really, like, legit only has one color up here at the top, which is great time-wise, but that was really different for me. Like, I kept wanting to be like, okay, is that it? Like, am I already on the main body of the eye? So, I don't know. It's gonna be pretty easy today, yet still gorgeous. What are we doing this weekend? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, I thought you'd never ask. Nothing. No, I'm going to be spending my time really diving into my Adobe products, because I need to get out of not being on schedule. Like, I can't fucking stand it. It's giving me so much anxiety. I don't know, my brain is just not as sharp as it once was because I'm old. So there are a couple things that I'm not grasping as quickly as I would like, and it's pissing me off. So Followers Friday though, y'all know I'm not giving that one up. So I have been editing that still on my phone and keeping that on track. I'm gonna do one more spin with these. How was the rest of your week, you guys? Did you guys have a good week? a weird place mentally right now. And like, I don't know. I'm very much a creature of habit, and a lot of things have changed in my life in the last month, and I'm having a hard time adjusting to it. Wait, I should put on a gray sweater, huh? I don't have one close by, damn it. My depression and anxiety have been a fucking nightmare. I'm sleeping like 3 hours a night. I'm tired. I'm snippy. Like, the rabbit hole is calling my name. And I'm trying everything I can to stay out of it. I like things on a schedule. I don't know. So I have been kind of MIA on everyone and socials. So I apologize, and I will give myself a swift kick in the ass to hopefully get out of this funk that I'm in. Yeah, I don't know. Anywho, so yeah, that's it. That's all we did on the upper part. Now we're going to work on the lid space. So what I did for the center was I first took this Ace Beauté, aka Color Shock dupe, in Cotton Candy. This pretty color right here. Stop messing with the backdrop. I'm gonna use this as the color for the center. So all I did when it came to these lines and trying to keep them symmetrical is I chose brushes that were already shaped in the width that I wanted. That makes it so much easier. I'm not only using this as a base, I am using this for the tint that it gives off. Because then I went in and I grabbed this pinky shimmer and this pinky shimmer and added it on top. Like these. So also adding the shadows on top of the Ace Beauté. I just like saying that. Color really helps to set it and make it stick. There. For the next color, which is the pretty teal, I went in with one of my little LC box. I don't want to spill it. In this super, super pretty color. This is such a unique teal to me because it's almost like forest meets teal, if that makes sense. I almost spilled it everywhere, you guys. And same thing, I chose a brush that was the diameter that I wanted. And we just pop that on in. So I just kind of figured out where I wanted it first, and then worked on making it like as straight as I could. Kind of reminds me of like cotton candy. And then mixed in with this one, I took a little bit of this lightest color to give it a bit more sheen, like hers. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Don't forget Bubba in an hour.
Oh shit. I thought you were getting him. Why did I not think about that? Oh, good thing I didn't sleep yet. In an hour? Okay.
Yeah, he gets out at 1:04.
All right. Oh my goodness, y'all. See, I would have forgot to pick up our youngest from school. That's how distracted I am. All right, so the color on the outer corners is going to be this gorgeous wine shimmer. I have been dying to use this color since I got this palette and haven't had the chance. But today we are using it. Again, placing and then blending. Y'all know how I work. Place and blend. Place and blend.
You gon' blow my cover, baby. You gon' make me pull it out, give you that lover, baby.
I am so distracted that I did not even remember that, honey. Oh my god, that would have been so bad.
It's okay. When I saw that you were filming, I knew.
Shit, I better set a timer. I'm also bringing just a little bit of it over the top.
I've been up 4 days, having 3 ways. Let my bitches in twos, I'm the one, man. Tryna jump in my lane, I'm in the air, man. Make her fall in love.
All right, so I'm gonna go back to the very first brush that we used.
Let my bitches in twos, I'm the one, man. Tryna jump in my lane, I'm in the air, man. Make her fall in love, she gon' want the last name.
And then I took my NYX Gold Glitter Liner and worked really hard at trying to get that even. I'm putting this just in the first half of the eyelid. Taking the same first brush. Okay. Yeah, that's it for this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the concealer and everything else, and then we'll come back. All right, you guys, here is the finished look. What do we think? Hopefully we have made Carolina proud. She is a gorgeous young lady, and I hope that you liked the recreation. So all I did underneath was I smudged a bit of a teal liner in my waterline, because that's what she did. I took the mauve color and ran that underneath. I put in the Ace Beauté, I forgot what it was called. The Ace Beauté liquid shadow in the inner corners. Super quick blush and bronze and highlight. And yeah, that's all I did. I just wanted to do something super quick, super light, nothing too stressful. There's enough of that going on. Except for the lashes, of course. These ones are in the style Sydney, of course, from Shop and Me. Side note, you guys know I hook you guys up. I do have a discount with them. It is code PRETTY10. Use that at checkout and you will save some coin. They have regular lashes, dramatic lashes, all kinds of lashes. Any kind of lashes you could possibly dream of, they have. So go check them out. And don't forget to go show her some love. Go spam her page with likes, follow her. She absolutely deserves it. So that is the end of this week's Followers Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on the bell so you never miss when I upload. I'm getting back, I swear, I'm getting back on track. All right, you guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.